Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 Web X. Today, I just want to show you guys how to remove vulnerable, how to actually detect and remove vulnerable WordPress plugins on your website. So recently, of course, we all know that WordPress is powered by plugins, all right? So plugins, do the magic of having, some of the best and most used website out there. But then again, WordPress is known, for security issues. And recently, as at 2021, 2022, and now 2023, the attempt to hack WordPress website has actually, gone pretty much up, like it has never been before. And so, personally, I'm doing I'm recording a course on how to actually be free from, hackers. At least you can't avoid them, but at least you try to keep them off your doorstep. So, today, that being said, today I'm just going to show you how to detect and use a WordPress, remove vulnerable plugins from your WordPress website. Vulnerable, I mean the plugins that are affected with virus themselves from your website. Okay, so I will explain these problems in details in the course, so keep your fingers crossed. I'm releasing the course at the end of the month, January. So just follow the channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to watch that course. And the beauty part of it is absolutely free of charge. Okay, now you can see this dashboard here. I have this website, and for those of you who are using unreliable hosting, I will suggest that you try out Hostinger. Hostinger, they are not paying me to make this video. I have no business or dealings with them whatsoever. That should be a disclaimer. I love their services compared to other hosting services, and I think they are worth every dollar or naira or whatever currency you use. For me, they are the best. Okay, that are that is out there. So because they help you to actually take care of some of these security issues. Okay, so I have this dashboard here, and this website, according to what this is saying, that you can see right here that the site is vulnerable. Okay, with some plugin detect. So, and if I go on to click manage plugins, then it comes up with this window. Of course, I'm using abstract theme for this WordPress website, and you can see the installed plugins here, and you see here that auto-timize, which is a speed, plugin. Okay, it's actually infected with virus. Okay, and if you hover over this here, it says authenticated stored cross-site scripting. Authenticated stored cross-site scripting vulnerability discovered by Rad Haddad in Auto-Temize version 3.1.0. So Auto-Temize currently is at 3.1.0. So I don't know if it's because of the update, update to safe version. So you can see that the old version actually is infected with virus, and they are saying that there's a new version which I've not updated. So if I click here, and I have the option to delete the plugin or to update this plugin. So first, what I recommend you do is go ahead and click these 4 dots there and update. So let's see if the update is going to take care of the vulnerability. And once that is done, of course, you can see that the current version is 3.1.4, and the previous version was 3.1.0. Now you can see that this vulnerability problem has been fixed. All right, so let's go back and see if I'll just click on the dashboard here, and you can see we don't have that message anymore. But sometimes if a plugin, after updating and it's still giving you the same message, I recommend you go ahead and delete the plugin, okay, and look for a better one. Look, you can't totally avoid having these issues, okay. Of course, like I said from the beginning, the plugins are the brain of WordPress website, and when the brain is ached, then you expect a headache. All right, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.